Is that Bella in the road?
Yeah.
Oh, that's better, young lady. Approaching first today is the hitting goose. Oh. Everybody's flying over. Hi everybody. It's lovely to see you in your eclipse plumage that's coming through for some of you. Pickles. Oh. Hello, hello. So these two here, you can see, hold still a minute boys. Blimey. Okay, this guy is a perfect example. This guy here. Goslings! Hello! Parents, don't worry, they're safe, they're safe. Everybody's safe. Right, now I was trying to explain about eclipse plumage. Okay, who's got a good example of eclipse plumage for me? Yes, you have. Okay. Brown spots on the head, that's new feathers coming through, and those feathers are going to be brown like the girls. And their feathers on their body are going to become spotty. You can see on some of them already. This guy here, he's doing it too, and this guy, you see he's a bit spotty. They are going to lose all of their feathers and grow a whole new coat. Oh my goodness, what is this beautiful feather you've received? Thank you. So yeah, that's what the mallards are busy doing at the moment. I'm not sure why they're doing it now. It's a bit early. They're supposed to do it after mating season, which is still ongoing. Oh my goodness. So many feathers today. Thank you, everybody. Look at this. Oh. Who's making that big noise? One of the geese, I think. It is a bit windy and rainy today. It's not the nicest day to be out. Nice weather for ducks is the saying, hey? Oh, look, this guy. This is a beautiful example of eclipse plumage coming through. See how he looks like he's covered in sand? That's new feathers. Now, the worry I have is that when all these boys grow their eclipse plumage, oh look, you can see on this guy as well, look. See how he's all speckly like the girls? I worry that we're not, Pickles! Hello babies! I worry that we might not be able to recognise our friends because they're going to look so different. Can you see, look, this guy's getting his eclipse plumage. It's very cool. I had no idea the mallards do this. I do worry that we'll still be able to tell the girls from the boys because the boys will have different coloured beaks. But I worry that I won't know Waddle when I see him. Oi, no pecking. Behave. Kind beaks. Yeah, Pickles, you should know better. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all the feathers coming off in this wind. Oh, that one's going too fast. I'll never get it. Look at these happy little goslings. Don't peck, boys. Look at them. They're nearly as big as Ryan. They're catching up. Oh, there's another feather gone. A little one. The rain is picking up a bit here today. Look how cute they are. Hi, babies. Hi. Oi, behave. Oh, look, this guy's got his eclipse plumage coming through. You can really see that, his face. You see that? I don't know why they're doing it so early this year. There's another one. Miss Bella. On the wrong side, setting a bad example. That's it. Everybody scurry back under the fence for me. Under you go. We want you all nice and safe, don't we? Under, please. Especially you babies. Beautiful example of eclipse plumage over here. Look at him. Look at this. Anna, out the road. Excuse me, what are you doing to my car? It's not food, it's just a transporter of food. And transporter of distributors of food. Please don't peck my car, you might damage the paint. Yeah. Give him a bit of space, he might do it again. Is that what he's misbehaving? Very naughty ducks today. Oh, look at this. This duck is waddling up the pavement like he owns it, like a human. No waddle today, I don't think. Hello. Uh-oh, uh-oh, no thank you. That is very bad behaviour, geese. We will be kind to each other, thank you.
What if there's a trailer like one inside?
Well, you'll have to explain what they were fighting about. These naughty babies in the road. Out the road, goslings. Oh, at least 12. Depends on how graphic the violence is. Hey, baby. You want to see this feather? Look, you'll have one of these when you're bigger. This is what your grown-up feathers will look like, some of them. They're beautiful. Look at the colours. Yeah, these must have blown off your parents. Hi, baby. Do you want to see your grown-up feathers? You're just hunting for food. Oh, show me those wings again. Go on, they're beautiful. Hey, Winter. Lovely to see you. Hi everyone, I'm just going to pop the thing over to get some nice clear footage of you all. We've got a crow. We've got a goose flying in over there. I haven't seen any grey-lag goslings this year and no mallard ducklings yet. I hope we'll see some. If you're all doing your shedding, then surely you've done the mating bit, right? But there's not very many girls around here, so I think maybe the hatching is still going on. Don't chase them, don't chase them. Let them do their own thing, even if it's naughty. They must make their own choices. This is literally every Egyptian goose misbehaving in the road. You're all very naughty.